Alright guys, we're back again. Today we got a call from a homeowner. He said his tankless heater was leaking for about a week, and today it just happened to crap out and not producing hot water anymore. We got there, we opened up the unit, and it was all corroded and we couldn't repair it. So we told him we had to install a new one. He said go for it. As you can see here, the intake, the exhaust is just done like crap. So we got to it. This is what happens when you run out of black plywood already at the shop and you have to dry the paint to be able to start working. So you guys are going to start complaining and telling me, you should have a fan, you should have everything ready, but this is on the fly. This is how we do it. So I got my blower out there, set it on top of the storage container there, and let it blow dry. All right, this is the finished product. Nice Navien NPE-240A. We did everything in copper like always. We always solder, no Pro Press BS here. So this one we needed a condensation pump. We used this type of condensation pump with a built-in neutralizer. As you can see here, it's a nice fancy U-bend here. Not U-bend, but a little offset with the union, just in case we got to clean the condensation line. We ran the copper line, strapped it to the plywood. And we redid the gas line. If you could see the previous video, it was like 4 feet sticking out. We brought it closer to the unit. Ran new PVC for the intake and exhaust into a new concentric vent going out. Look at this mess here for this softener. Hopefully the homeowner gives us a call in the future to fix that up and clean it up. If you live in North Jersey, you need some plumber work done, residential or commercial, let us know. See you on the next one. See ya.